Hello friends, welcome to PHP video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood how to connect to MySQL server in PHP. We understood how to close the connection or how to disconnect from MySQL server in PHP. Let's do that first. I search for WAMP server and select. In the system tray, we find WAMP server icon. I click on it. You can see the host for MySQL server is localhost, guys. The host for MySQL server is localhost. I click on MySQL. I say MySQL console. I am launching MySQL console here, and the MySQL username is root. Okay, and MySQL password is nothing. I hit enter. Now we are in MySQL server, guys. Then I click on W icon. I go to www directory. We know that in the www directory we put our PHP files, right? Here I search for notepad. I select the notepad. You can see the notepad got open. Here I say less than $PHP greater than. This indicates opening PHP tag. This indicates closing PHP tag. Inside that I create a variable called $connection is equal to MySQLi underscore connect. We use this function to connect to the server, right? And the first parameter is host name, that is localhost, and second parameter username, root, password nothing, so empty. Then I say here if not, exclamation mark indicates not, $connection. If connection not happened, we display message saying connection failed, colon. Then we display the error message using MySQLi underscore connect underscore error. We use this function to tell what is the reason behind connection failure, and then here I say exit semicolon. Else, if connection is successful, we say echo connection successful, and then I say here BR. So that's what we have learned in the previous videos. MySQLi underscore connect function we use to connect to our server, right? Let me save this file save as. In the www directory I save this file with the name default.php. both sides I put double quotations and save. Then I launch Google Chrome. Inside this I say localhost /default.php. You can see it is telling connection successful. Our PHP page is able to connect to the MySQL server, guys. In this video, we understand how to select a database from MySQL server in PHP, guys. How do we select a database from MySQL server in PHP? I go to MySQL server. Here I say show databases semicolon enter. You can see it is showing list of databases currently available. We have information underscore schema, MySQL, performance underscore schema, and sys. These are the 4 default databases available in MySQL server. Now I am going to create one new database. I say here create database db underscore college semicolon enter. That creates a database called db underscore college. If I say here show databases semicolon enter, you can see db underscore college database is created. Now I want to select this database and work with it. So how do we select a database from MySQL server in PHP? For that we take help of MySQLi underscore select underscore db function. First parameter it takes the connection, second parameter it takes the database name, guys. So what I do here below, I say $is database selected is equal to MySQLi underscore select underscore db. First parameter is the connection to MySQL server, and the second parameter is the database name that we want to select, db underscore college. So this function goes to the connected server and checks whether there is a db underscore college database. If this database is available, it is going to select, guys. Here I say if not is database selected. If database is not selected, we'll say echo database selection failed, and then we display the reason. MySQLi underscore error function we use. To that we pass the connection variable, and then I say here br and say exit. Else, that means if it selects the database, we say echo database selection successful, and then I say here br. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see it is telling database selection successful because we have the database, guys, right? db underscore college is available. If I go here and say something else like db underscore university, okay, university, there is no database called db underscore university in our local host, right, in our server. If I save this, we get the error, okay, we get the error. If I go to browser and say reload, it is telling database selection failed, unknown database db underscore university. It is telling there is no such database called db underscore university in the MySQL server. Understanding? So if I say here db underscore college and save it, go to browser and reload, it is telling database selection successful. So using MySQLi underscore select underscore db, we are going to select the required database in PHP, guys. Understanding? Once it is done, we are going to close the connection, guys. We are going to disconnect from MySQL server. For that we use MySQLi underscore close function. Here I say $is connection closed is equal to MySQLi underscore close. To that we pass the connection variable. It is going to close the connection, guys. Here we write the code if not connection is closed. If not connection is closed, we say echo connection close failed, and then we display the error message using MySQLi underscore error. We pass this connection variable and then we say exit. Else, we say echo connection close successful, and then I say here br. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see, we got connection close successful. First we make a connection, then we select the database, and then we close the connection, guys. So I suggest you people to try this code yourself. If you get any errors, let me know. If you have any doubts, let me know. Do not hesitate to ask, guys. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about how to work with MySQL server in PHP. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.